41 in Winnebago. Oh! 1050.
In a moment that looked straight out of an action movie, a wanted suspect launched his car completely over the highway, flying across multiple lanes of traffic in a desperate attempt to escape police. But what led up to this insane jump? And how did the chase finally come to an end?
Coming
up to Pioneer on Military.
It all began in Fond du Lac County, where officers attempted to stop a wanted driver on the interstate. Instead of pulling over, the suspect slammed on the gas, triggering one of the wildest pursuits seen on the highway in recent months. The driver weaved aggressively through traffic at high speeds, cutting across lanes while patrol units tried to keep the dangerous situation under control.
Call for 16 our crew. Request sections for you.
Coming back out on the Pioneer. I'm with State now.
Can't find out what the warrants for.
Speed is direct.
690's driving in the wrong way of traffic. Coming up to Johnson. He's going to be going westbound on Johnson Street.
Copy westbound on Johnson.
Northbound 690 came up on Winnebago. Like northbound, like no, 1050. 41 in Winnebago. Oh!
As the pressure from law enforcement intensified, the suspect made a shocking decision. Without warning, the car veered off the roadway, hit a grassy embankment, and suddenly launched into the air, soaring over traffic in a jaw-dropping scene that stunned both drivers and officers watching it unfold.
White shirt, black pants, black male.
But even after the violent landing damaged the vehicle, the suspect still refused to give up. He jumped out of the car and attempted to flee on foot across a nearby field, hoping to escape before officers could close in. The escape didn't last long. Police quickly chased him down and took him into custody within moments.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Behind! Behind! Arrest.